Are you struggling to make your mark as a leader? Listen, it's time to step up and lead with confidence. So let's discover the proven strategies to become a standout leader and to dominate your field. Hey there, my name is Isai Rodriguez, and I'm your friend. And this is where we build your leadership skills in your home business profit, one actionable tip at a time. So hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so today we're diving deep into something super important. We're talking about how to be an awesome leader, right? Whether you're running your own home business or hustling in network marketing, being a great leader is key to your success. So I want you to grab a snack, get comfy, sit back, relax, and we're gonna just jump right in here. So, all right, so imagine you're the captain of your team, right? And guess what? Your team's success depends on you, right? So, but being a leader isn't about bossing people around, all right? It's about helping your team grow and shine, right? For example, think about when you play a sports team, right? Any team sports, like the coach of your team isn't just someone who yells orders from the sidelines, they may be barking at you like, hey, do this, do that. He's calling out plays. But that's not the only thing, right? They're the ones who teach you new skills, right? They cheer you on during games. They help you become a better player, right? And just like that coach, you as a leader, you're there to guide your team, to support them when they stumble, to celebrate them, or with them when they succeed, when they hit those milestones, right? So whether it's scoring a goal, on a soccer field or closing a big sale in your business, remember this: a great leader is like a coach, right? Always there to help with the team win, right? So how do you become a leader that everyone looks up to? Well, let me break it down to you like this, okay? First things first, it's all about setting a good example, right? You gotta walk the talk, okay? You know what I mean by walking the talk, right? If you want your team to work hard, you gotta work hard, right? Show them what it means to be dedicated and passionate about what it is that you do, what it is that they need to do, right? Next, it's all about helping your team grow, okay? Again, think of yourself as the coach of your team, right? You're cheering them on and helping them reach their full potential, okay? Because when your team succeeds, you succeed, right? When they win, you win. It's a team effort. And finally, don't forget about, to listen to your team. What is it that they're struggling with? That's right. Being a good leader means that you have to be a good listener too, right? You have to hear them out. You have to understand their ideas. You have to understand what they're struggling with, their pain points, what it is that they need help with, right? Be there to support them, to lend a helping hand, to lend a sympathetic ear, right? Show them that you value them, that you put value on their input, right? So, being a great leader, it's not rocket science, right? It's all about leading by example, helping your team grow and listening to what they have to say. All right. So there you have it, my friends. That's my tip for today. Now take this lesson and go out there and be the best, most awesome leader that I know you can be. All right. If you found this episode helpful, if you found it inspiring, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. And if you have any questions or topics that you like to talk about, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to follow the link in the description for access to my free masterclass training, where I'll be showing you how I put all of these tips into action firsthand so that you can do the same so that you can make your dreams a reality, right? I want to help you create your own personal financial fortress so that you can fight against inflation. And ultimately, I want you to create that freedom of time that we're all after so that we can do what we want when we want, with who we want at any given moment. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, until the next time, stay legendary, my friends, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Take care now. Bye.